Hi everyone, my name is Vinita, your mentor for UPSC Maths Optional. Here on this channel, you will find important resources, guidance, important topics of Maths Optional plus PYQs solved year-wise. Some practice sessions also I have uploaded on the channel. Do like, share and subscribe. Also, you can visit this website. The link of this is given in the description below this lecture. यहाँ पर आपको टॉपिक वाइज PYQs के PDFs मिल जाएंगे. अनसोल्ड है ये, इनके जो सॉल्यूशंस है वो मेरे चैनल पर अवेलेबल रहेंगे. Also, you can download the syllabus and subject wise book list and I'll be uploading the revision notes as well. ये सब ready है. I just have to upload. So revision notes भी इसमें update हो जाएंगे. You can download our application if you want to cover Maths Optional complete course from the very scratch. If you are a beginner, then this course is starting for 2026 people and it is starting from 15th of March and it will be a complete course. It includes everything theory plus practice plus previous year questions are also included in it. Answer writing and other helpful guidance is there. Comprehensive notes इसमें available रहेंगे. You will have to make your own notes, but revision notes I'll be providing you. And if you have completed your syllabus and you just need practice plus test series, you can check this test series course as well. The link of this application is also given in the description below this lecture. Let's start our session now. In the PYQ series, this is our last question from real analysis from 2024 paper. It says that our function is given to us as under root 1 minus x square whenever x is a rational number, 1 minus x whenever x is irrational number. You have to find the upper and lower Riemann integral for f on this interval 0, 1 and show that f is not Riemann integrable on the same interval. Let me first tell you कि जो upper Riemann integral होता है that is equal to basically a b bar fx dx. This is known as the upper Riemann integral. और इसको कैसे निकालते हैं? We basically take the limit and tends to infinite or we basically take the supremum. We basically take the supremum here, है ना? And in the lower Riemann integral a bar to b fx dx, this is called lower Riemann integral. इसमें क्या होता है? We take the infimum integration infimum of fx on the same interval. So many times you may have to partition this integral, but here it is not needed to partition this interval. We don't need to partition this interval, but we do need to check the supremum and the infimum of fx in this interval. See क्या होता है? Between 0 to 1 there are rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. There are infinitely many rationals and irrationals between 0 to 1. So it means my function can take both values on this interval. जो fx है, it can take under root 1 minus x square as well as 1 minus x value on this interval. So you need to find which one is the supremum, which one is the maximum and which one is the minimum out of these two. So ये आपका task है. So you tell me which is greater among these two, root 1 minus x square and 1 minus x. Root 1 minus x square and 1 minus x, where x belong to 0, 1. 0, 1. कोई वैल्यू पुट करके देख लो. जैसे मैं x को अगर 1/2 पुट करूँ तो I'll have root 1 minus 1/4 and that will be equal to root 3/4. and यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे तो 1 minus 1/2 that is equal to 1/2. So this is basically root 3/2 and this is basically 1/2. So it means this value is bigger ना, root 1 minus x square. Mostly ऐसा ही कुछ रहेगा. I mean you can just check random points between this interval and on those points which one is taking maximum value and which one is taking minimum value. But many times you may have to partition the interval as well. जब हम practice questions करेंगे तो उसमें देखेंगे कि partition करने की भी ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है कई बार. So I can say that this is basically greater. और वैसे भी tell me one thing. I can compare these two easily. Root 1 minus x square can be written as 1 minus x into 1 plus x. I can write it like this now. अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, और यू के इफ यू वांट टू टेक होल स्क्वायर ना, दोनों तरफ अगर मैं होल स्क्वायर लूँ तो 1 माइनस एक्स होल स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज 1 माइनस एक्स इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स, ये तो इस तरह से लिखा जा सकता है. बट इफ आई टेक होल स्क्वायर ऑफ अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, देन दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस एक्स इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स. यू टेल मी विच वन इज बिगर. ऑब्वियसली दिस इज बिगर, दिस इज बिगर ना. यहाँ पर तो बोथ आर 1 माइनस एक्स, both are 1 minus x, here it is 1 plus x as well, so that means definitely root 1 minus x square whole square is bigger than 1 minus x whole square, so it means under root 1 minus x square is greater than 1 minus x. So you can do both ways, है ना. So I can say that in this interval my supremum is under root 1 minus x square and my infimum is 1 minus x, 1 minus x. So I can say that the supremum of fx is equal to under root 1 minus x square and the infimum of fx is equal to 1 minus x. Now if I say upper Riemann integral, अरे वाह. So we have upper Riemann integral as equal to integration 0 to 1. Limit same रहती है, limit remains the same. It is just that upper Riemann integral is denoted by taking a bar at the head of 1. 1 के head पर bar लिया जाता है. So it is root 1 minus x square dx. रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर डी एक्स. नाउ सी, ये लिमिट से कंफ्यूज मत होना. इफ दिस इंटेग्रेशन इज नॉट डूएबल ना, then we take the limit and tends to infinite. Means if our function is very complicated, then we can also take the limit. But here it is simple integration and I can easily solve it. So इसको integrate करेंगे, ये हमारे पास formula होता है. So this is equal to x by 2 under root 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x or sin inverse x by 2. So it is sin inverse x by 2. Sin inverse x by 2. The limits of integration are from 0 to 1. Putting the limits, 1 put करेंगे तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर 1 put करेंगे, sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 4. So pi by 4 आंसर आ गया. Now let's find the lower Riemann integral. Lower Riemann integral. So for the lower Riemann integral, we need to take the infimum of fx. We need to take the infimum of fx. So lower Riemann integral is equal to, by taking a bar at the foot of 0. So 0 to 1 or 1 minus x dx. Or you can say that infimum of fx. ठीक है. So this is equal to x minus x square by 2 from 0 to 1. If you put the limits here, then I have 1 minus 1 by 2 which is equal to 1 by 2, and these two are clearly not the same. ये दोनों same नहीं है ना. So pi by 4 is not equal to 1 by 2. It means the upper Riemann integral is not equal to the lower Riemann integral, and that's why we can say that the function fx is not Riemann integrable. Not Riemann integrable. यही हमसे पूछ रहा है, f is not Riemann integrable on 0, 1. So we can say that not Riemann integrable. So this is it. This was the last question from real analysis. In the next session, we'll be taking some other subject.